everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger app on iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Every month, more than 1 billion individuals use the Facebook Messenger application on their iPhone. When something goes wrong and the app stops working, many individuals are inconvenienced. If your iPhone's Messenger application isn't working for some reason, you'll want to know how to fix it. In order to do that, simply follow the steps. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once connected to an internet, simply tap open your Facebook Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If it does, then that means your problem was internet related. Once you fix that, you can now start using your Messenger application right away. Another thing you can do in order to fix the issue is to close your Messenger application from the background. Check for updates for your Messenger application by going to your App Store. In the search box, type in Messenger. Once you make your search, right where you can see the application. If you see an update button, that means you'll need to update your application to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button, and once updated, tap open your Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works for you, then the next thing to do is to go to Settings from your iPhone. From the Settings page, scroll all the way down and search for Messenger from the list of the apps displayed. Once you find the app, give it a tap. Make sure to allow necessary permission for the application by enabling the button right next to it. Go back to your Settings menu and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Search for Messenger from the list displayed and give it a tap. Now, tap on Offload App, and in the pop-up, tap on Offload App one more time. Doing this will delete the app, but it will keep its document and data. Once you offload your application, tap on Reinstall App one more time and reinstall Messenger application back to your iPhone. Doing this will give your application a quick refresh. Now, simply go back to your Messenger application, launch it open, log into your account, and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to work with Messenger like you were supposed to on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.